So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to invest in Stanbic IBTC Money Market Mutual Fund. I have created an account and I have funded my account with 50,000 naira, which I'll be investing in today's video. And it will be a practical video. I'll show you everything you need to know before investing in Stanbic IBTC Mutual Fund and also how to go about investing. So if videos like this interest you, do want to subscribe to Waxfly TV as we keep bringing you ways to go about investing and making some cash for yourself. Now, what is Stanbic IBTC Money Market Mutual Fund? This is a short-term duration type of investment and a low risk type of investment where you invest or you give Stanbic IBTC Asset Management your money and they invest for you. In low risk type of investment, they invest in treasury bill, commercial paper, and other low risk kind of investment. So if you're not good at investing or picking a stock or picking a security or where to invest, you can give Stanbic IBTC Asset Management your money and they invest for you. It's straightforward to create an account. All you have to do is to click the link I'll be pasting in the comment of this video. Once you create your account, it's very straightforward. You just put information they ask you to put. You have to upload your national identity and some other things they'll ask you to upload. Once you are done creating up your account, you can fund your wallet and get started investing. Currently, they are giving 20% per annum if you invest in their money market mutual fund, and you have to leave it for a duration of 30 days before you can be able to withdraw your money or do any other thing with your money. With a minimum of 5,000 naira, you can get started investing in this money market mutual fund. So I'll be going on to my screen so that I can be seeing everything I'm saying as regards this and how to go about investing in this low risk type of investment. So let's get onto my screen. So as you can see on my screen, you can see that I top up my account with 50,200 naira. Yeah, because I don't know if they are going to take any charges. I just had to put that 200 naira there for any kind of charge. Then you can let us go in the dashboard and all the things we need to see. So I've this to complete your profile. I've done the legal agreement, I have done my basic profile, uploaded document, background information, I've funded my wallet, I've upgraded my account. Nice for me to start investing and all this. So how do I go about investing? All I have to do is to click on the menu button, and once I click on that menu button at the top left, I have to click on explore. Then once I click on explore, that's the new, you can see mutual funds. I'll click on the mutual funds. Then after clicking on the mutual fund, the page is going to load where I'll be able to invest in the mutual fund. Now you can see mutual funds and treasury bill. Also, you can see mutual funds are assets that pulls money from many investors and invest the money in securities such as stocks, bond, and short-term debt. So you can see that the price, the current return on investment at the moment is 20.07%. That's what they are giving. So if I click on view fund analysis, I can analyze this fund. Now it's not just mutual funds Stanbic IBTC does. You can see this one too. That's Stanbic IBTC dollar fund. You can see all that, but I am currently dealing on this one. So let's just click on this view fund analysis to see more information about the fund. I know it's going to redirect us to another page for us to gather more information. Okay, so here are the information as regards the fund. You can see the graph of the fund as the movement is there on 20% for a period of time now. You can see all this information: 5,000 naira minimum of investment. Then your subsequent subscription must be minimum of 5,000 naira. Minimum holding days is 30 days, and the investment risk is a low risk. You can see that it's a type of mutual fund that has relative low risk compared to other mutual funds. With Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund, investors get higher rates on return than a traditional savings account. And you can see all those information that are needed. Now, how to go about buying? You just click on buy, and once you click on buy, it will come up another page. Now you see what do you how would you like to invest, and I guess I'll click on create a new account for your investment. I don't have an account before, so like I've not invested in mutual fund before, and I'll click on next. So the next information there, they'll tell me which one am I investing. I'm clicking on this Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund. I'll click on next there. Then what again? I'm coming down. Yeah, I've just confirmed that. I'll click on next. How much am I investing? 50,000 naira. Sorry, five. And is it 4 zeros now? Yeah, 4 zeros for 50,000 naira. So 50,000 naira. Then I'll come back to next. Then how will I pay? Yeah, there are some cash in my wallet, so I'll click on wallet. Then I'll click on next. Now you can see my wallet has 50,200. Look at the amounts I'll be debited. Then once I click on submit, then let's see what's would happen. I've not done this before, so I don't really know what's going to happen. This is my first time investing in Stanbic IBTC Money Market Mutual Fund. Now you can see successful. Your subscription request to invest in Stanbic IBTC has been submitted. For payments made before 12 noon on working days, the fund will be applied in the same day. For payments made after 12 noon or weekend, the fund will be applied the next day. So I'm currently shooting this video by 12:22 a.m. very early in the morning. So it's very early in the morning, so probably it will be applied in the afternoon today or towards like the day, like in the breaking of the day. So it's the time I'm shooting this video, so I don't expect it to reflect on my investment dashboard now, because of definitely their staff are out of duty, they are sleeping at the moment. So that's the process in investing in Stanbic IBTC Money Market Mutual Fund. It's very easy, it's very much straightforward. You can go on doing it by yourself and getting some interest. Once it has healed some interest, that's your investment. A good thing about low risk investment is that you cannot lose your money. All you do is to get some interest, and when you are tired of the whole investment, you can pull off your money, or when it has gotten to a duration, you can pull off your money. So that's a win-win from your own end. You can get started investing in Stanbic IBTC Money Market Mutual Fund by hitting the link in the comment section of this video. I've placed a link in the comment section of this video, so you can go on creating an account as fast as possible. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll look forward to replying all your comments as regards investing in Stanbic IBTC Money Market Mutual Fund. And another thing you need to know, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel, as we bring you ways to go about making some cash online. Till next one, peace.